Welcome to the second installment of Cooking with Ryan. Today we're going to be making Triple Berry Muffins. So your ingredients that you're going to need is milk, a measuring cup, obviously your cake mix, and a bowl with a big spoon. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, as you can see over here. We've done this already. And then the second step is to stir your muffin mix with water or milk. So for this one, we're deciding milk. Just dump your muffin mix. Okay. Then you're gonna measure 1/4 cup of milk. Pour that into your muffin mix. Take your spoon, stir that bad boy up. Don't leave anything unattended. There it is. Okay, once you get a nice consistency, you're gonna take it, just gonna plop them in, make each one about half full. More in that one. We got about 2 rows there. Put this bad boy in for about 16 to 21 minutes. And they are done, so let's see these bad boys. Look at those! So as you can see,
that's the finished product. They're too hot to eat right now.
So as you can see though, it's very important to get equal pours. And that is something that I did not do very well on this turn. So if you can, have a parent help you with these, because some of this can be challenging.